What is the difference between a dome and a bullet camera? This is a dome. This is a bullet. Here are the main features. Both have 1080p 3 and 4 megapixel resolution models. Both are designed for indoor, outdoor use, perfect for any weather conditions. The dome is more discreet, while the bullet cameras are easier to install and adjust. The bullet has a narrower field of view, but the dome has a wider field of view. Perfect for your home and businesses, big or small. How many hours can I record on my LaView Security NVR? Well, it depends. Number of cameras, camera resolution, frames per second, and HD storage. Here is a chart for 1080p cameras. The total hours for 3 megapixel cameras stay relatively the same with 20 frames per second. And here are the numbers for 4 megapixel resolution cameras at 15 frames per second. How do I remote view from my computer or phone? To access remote view on your computer, enter the IP address of your NVR. Next, enter your username and password. Then, download and install the plugin. Finally, click on the icon in the lower right to start live view. Remote viewing on your phone requires several steps. First, download the app. Select your region. Select LaView P2P. Then enter your login information or click on Register to register. Tap the plus icon to add your device. And select Live View. Enter verification code when prompted. You can now monitor your home or business from the palm of your hand. LaView Security